hot day in New York. But what we got for you today, we got a nice Chairman's Reserve cut picanha. We're gonna do straight up salt on this one. We're gonna keep it whole. And then what we're gonna do is, we got a pork picanha. We're gonna slice that one up. We're gonna do that one on the skewers. So we're gonna give it a score, right? You're not going too far down. You're just going a little bit down on the fat cap. You wanna help that fat render out. And when you're looking for a picanha, you wanna look for a nice fat cap, right? We want the fat cap on. This is good. It does a few things. Number one, it protects the meat. And number two, it protects the meat, right? Because we're cooking over live fire. So, like I said before, this is my outdoor salt. Keep it for my picanhas, keep it for my live fire cooking. I keep refilling this. I buy a 5-pound bucket of this stuff. So we're gonna come in here, we're just gonna season it up, and then we're gonna go fat cap down. We're gonna go for about an hour and a half, fat cap down on this. We're gonna come right in here. We got the U going. If you can see it over there, we got the U shape going with the coals. And then this one, we're gonna take, this is the pork picanha. We're gonna trim up a little because I want steaks. So we're gonna come in here on the one side, we're gonna bend it around, and we're gonna come through the other side, okay? So we're gonna come in through the fat side, barely poke it, come around, and come down through. This Patagonia rub, this is awesome. Now I don't wanna cross-contaminate here, so I am gonna just sprinkle a little bit on here. And then we're gonna come down here, and we're gonna pop these over here. Now, we're gonna move some coals. I'm gonna go direct with this. I'm gonna go direct under the coals with this one. So we're gonna give it a little whack. And we're gonna pull some coals directly under. Because here's where I'm gonna go a little bit different. Where this, my beef picanha, I want a little indirect cooking here, but the pork picanha, I kind of want to roast. I want to render it down. So I'm going to still turn this around. We're going to watch how these go. We're going to watch our flames. We're going to watch our temperature. We got a beautiful Wagyu ribeye. And I'm going to do this the same way I usually do it. Going to salt, tie it up, rosemary. So we got all this extra salt on this board. There we go. Okay. We're gonna take all this extra salt, so we don't want to waste any of it. And this meat is gonna absorb what it wants to absorb. So let's go ahead and make sure we roll the sides. We want that salt to really penetrate. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and hang it up. And I think we're gonna go with this little guy right here. What's this, you ask? This is Salmuera, okay? It's not a bottle of Relax. What this is salt, a little bit of garlic, some rosemary, a little bit of, I put some oregano in there, and that's it. That is a beautiful piece of meat right there. Whoa. Come on, seriously, come on, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ah, come on, baby. We're gonna do that. Ah, take a look at the chimichurri. Ah,